raindrop up so high looked down below and asked, oh, why? What if I fall and splash too small? What if I don't make a sound at all? But the big cloud smile, don't be afraid. It's time for you to make your parade. You're brave little raindrop, you'll see the view. There's so much fun for you to do. So down it fell with a happy giggle, spinning and twirling, starting to wiggle. It splashed on flowers cool and bright, and made the world sparkle in the light. I'm not so tiny, not so small. I water the earth, I give it all. The raindrop learned it's no big deal. Even the tiniest can help the world heal. Look and do.